Wow. Morning, Ismash. Welcome back to another vlog. This is Mayfield Fall. I'm currently located in Hanover, Mayfield Fall, which is in Mayfield, and we're with the group, my mother's club members. They're on a little retreat, club retreat or whatever they want to call it, and we'll go to explore the woods of Mayfield Falls. So come on this tour with me and enjoy this vlog. Let me just show you this. I don't know if you know this, but this is what they call a chocolate tree. I think they use these, which are called chocolate, make chocolate. Like chocolate. Yeah, this is my first little observation. Okay, let's get it. See group there.
Guys, you have to go this one here too. Eh?
Jungle. Turn on now, man. Muddy. God no. God no. Ooh. My face look dark. I can't see my face. Let me go in the water with this one. My ear father call my name. Boy, watch your step. Watch this, you know. Watch your step. Where we go? Oh shit. Go on. I think if a lot of people make it earlier before us. We're finding this pathway to success. Yeah. Some people already are climbing far. Alright, we'll go down. Very slippery. Alright. Watch the slippery there. Very slippery there, youth, and steep. Slippery and steep. Hold it, youth. Oh. Yo. Water cool. Cool, look. Hey, water cool.
Oh my God.
Water freezing cold. Crazy. Don't worry, it's not Dungeon Fall. Not Dungeon Fall. It's not the same old vlog. Mayfield Fall. Let's get it. I'm in Africa. Alright, man, across this one, man. Try to make it up there, so we're going up the fall. Halfway submerged. Yo, this is very dangerous and expensive. Woo! Nah, I'm gonna lie to you, this water is very cool. My body still not get used to it. I'm gonna step over here. Walk on. Bait. Let me chew. But there's a deep. Dating youth. That look boring. I'm a vlog. So let me explain this little area right here. So I'm gonna make everybody get on like a one dip right here. So this probably 5 feet deep or 4 or so. And I'm not gonna enjoy them stuff, but I come for bigger things then. I come for swing off a rope and all of them things. That's something I see on YouTube. She's struggling. So let's get it. Yeah. It's shallow enough for you can. Hey! Follow! Help! Yo, I'm gonna step back for that one, man. Step back just a little bit. Brace myself, you shock absorber. Easy, easy. Shit. Boss. Let me. Yep. It's a video, man.
Alright. Go on, man.
Shut up.
Jump, man.
Get it. Conquer that with the ease. That's all. Bigger things you have moved. Bigger. So we just get good intel, guys. Here say the parts of the river or the falls or whatever they call it, stream, were very deep. All the guys can actually get to see from the drum. You guys can actually see the drum thing. And we know that's a scary thought or scary something to imagine dash and jumping somebody who cannot swim. But you guys are gonna see that today. So if you guys look closer down over there, so I put on that look like clay style. Rub it all over the skin. I don't know what's the sole purpose of that. But just know I ain't doing that today. I see sense in that. I see sense in that, so I'm gonna carry it. Up the river we go. Alright, boss. What you say is it? Limestone and natural scrub. Like a exfoliation thingy. What do you think, man?
Yo, big come over here, so. Get some natural therapy.
Hey.
Go make your way around.
Ah, I now feel it.
Big, come set up some extra big.
Not today, or next time. Yeah, next time. Maybe you're not. So guys, I want to ask you guys a question. For those living overseas, now I really need to ask you guys this question. Do you guys river see as beautiful as our river in Jamaica? This is so beautiful. I don't think there is a replica out there for this river, for Jamaica's river. Like, this is so beautiful, guys. It's breathtaking. I don't know if the camera does justice, but this is so beautiful. Leave in the comment section whether or not are even even a particular place that I can probably do a research upon afterwards. Just leave in the comment section of that name or place, or yes or no, if your guys' river is as beautiful as our river in Jamaica, and leave where this river is located, which country or whatever. This is, as the Nigerians would say, this is tantalizing. Oh, I guess here is somewhere where you can jump. See that guy just do a cannonball off here, so. This should be fun. Right? You can swim. Do you think, my boss? Do you think? Boots him up in. The whole line crack out of there. This is a jacuzzi. This is natural jacuzzi, nature's jacuzzi. And that's nature's pool. Let's have some fun, let's get it. You could green chair, you could get the hat there for me. The hat. The cap. cap will come up without a cap. Yeah. Wow. What's amazing? What? Hold on. Gavi, come man, just come run. Hey, come run man, just come run. No, see that. Wait, alright, come here, man. I'm going, see, you know you. Let's come, pass it. Alright, thanks. What are the fools? Work hard. Work, we are working. I know you guys wish you were here. I know, this is probably another jacuzzi. Looks fun, but this camera prohibits me from do certain things. One boy, you disappear. Where in there? Where am I gonna pop up? Alright, let's go. Yeah, man, just gonna do this and just disappear. Yeah. Hey. Set. You can go on any place too. Man, you know the place, come like a backyard. Yo. Come on. In there. Yo, that looks scary. But we make gonna know if and when we're gonna live there. But for now. Ready. No, let her rock. Alright, look, what you gonna do? I'll do it for the partner. Let's first, you know, yeah, them cook. That's the way I do it. Right? Let's go it up. One way up. Let's pick up, and then I'm gonna look up on the rock. You see it, then? Hold on, man. Yeah, I stand on this one, man. Yeah, but I'm not going to hold this. Give me the hand.
Okay, he's out.
Look at the wind on down there. No, I can't see that, brother. I got a bruise. Because under there is like a narrow tunnel thingy like. This is awesome. It's fun. But dangerous at the same time. Oh, see they cook. Right here. Let's say it happens sometimes. It comes with the territory. You feel me? There's mom. Finally, mom, people them a jump. You have diving board and all of that. That mean one.
First time?
Oh. No piece it early. Yeah, the fun part of the story, you know. And then you could go on hospital where you have mental problem. Hey, Dave.
Alright, big, that's what it is.
You know to control the camera? Like turn off and on.
Huh?
You know to turn off and on the camera?
Yeah, jump in and out.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to swim go here, go find out.
Wait, have a video now?
Yeah, alright, I'm stop.
I get him there now. So you can go from here, jump, then we swim on up.
Yeah.
That one, no good for you. Alright?
One.
Jump! That one. Just jump forward, man. Jump through.
Come again. One. Yay! Woo! Woo!
I survived. I survived. Alright, man, catch up back with me. I'm gonna catch up back with my group now.
Come on,
I think.
go get massage here. One massage. Yeah.
So this concludes the tour. We made it. We made it. We made it. We'll go back up now. Then we're going to enjoy themselves. Maybe I'll go on that and let you guys, I'll give you guys my perception or perspective. I know that feels good. Yo, I just can't bother right now. Just wet and mucky and not really in a good mood. But anyhow, do not carry over on a negative vibe or energy in the vlog. So we'll go back up, go get something to eat and dry off, and then we tell you what I think about Mayfield Falls and whether or not you guys should come and all of that. All that bells and whistles.
Feel like an old man.
You're a young girl, man, don't feel so.
Okay.
Just a walk, go back up right front.
Oh, no. Just hold on and see.
Cut my hair. And one day somewhere, because I'm going to see. Somewhere, where there? Where there? There's somewhere. The burn. Let's get it. We're gonna pick all the front. Can't swim, boy, you can't walk. Big swimmer.
Muddy.
Let's get busy. Come on.
How much more tires is this?
Alright.
Oh gosh.
Oh. Jurassic World then.
Coming up with this other pretty dead body now.
Dead body. Body you want to see? Dinosaur man look for.
Then I didn't show them. With them few campers they were just love without
And camping in the bush.
the woods.
And hillbilly come script them way. Like wrong turn.
Yeah.
Enjoy the journey, man. Not the destination, it's all about the journey. My mom there. This one?
Alright, this is it.
Enjoyed it.
Yeah. Yeah, it was awesome.
It was fun. It was.
I want to do it again, except to come back. Come back.
Muddy and just annoying. Alright.
It's fun, but it's a.
It's short and I didn't know if I was swimming. That's just the problem. When I get to do no farmer swimming, but I like before I get to dive. Just that.
I'm not a swimmer.
That's my
It was
climax.
Perfect for me.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was
Oh.
perfect. You didn't show me up at all. Perfect.
Alright. Before wash up now or?
And to go through the chocolate walk and all of
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Awesome. It reminds
Show
me.
them a chocolate tree.
Yeah, it reminds me of when I was a child.
Hey, country bunkers. Alright, my girl needs to get something to eat and then wash out. Alright guys. So far, John, no, all of this are going down so. Oh god. That's a go on. Hey. Man. I'm going to do nothing. You can share the waves. Hello. Yeah. I think she's washing up.
Alright, they're coming with lunch.
Let's start. Get something to munch on.
I'm sure you're hungry. You want fruits or anything? You want to take a piece of this?
Yeah, like they have fire. Alright.
Yeah.
Go on, survive, you know? Oh, stay here. Roast can. Cool. I'm just to take care of it too. Roast can thing. Roast plant. Never hear that one there. Corn roast and breadfruit and something roast planting. Nah. Yeah, I invent that one. Ain't for look at the roast planting.
But I can't use my hands going
How about you create that one, man? I never hear about that before. Roast planting. So you can roast banana. You're gonna see on a roast. You can't peel it. Or milk. Push him up so we can devour him. Oi! I mean, it's alright. Not very good, but alright. I mean, it's alright. Bust the youth now, man. You then can suffer. Aki and sausage. National dish. So every man hungry. Yo, come on, I'm hungry, man. Stop. Move. Please. Good.
Thank you. Give me 3 for
Hey.
Come now, who's not being served for food?
Hey. Alright. Fun fact, this is chicken, bro. So I'm gonna bless my food and enjoy my food and now. And then call it a day, done. Hey. I realize that I'm not outside of vlog here. But I can't really make you see how I look at John. I look atrocious. But anyways, Team Ismash, if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't itch to give this vlog a thumbs up. Leave your comments, guys. Interact with me, guys. Help me feel more comfortable. Help me feel more relaxed wanting to be here. You know, motivate me. Help me with motivation and staying on YouTube, doing these vlogs, all of that. Just by interacting with me, guys. I want to feel like you guys are a part of this, just as though me in my head, like mentally believe say with you guys. Anyways, Team Ismash, I appreciate you guys for watching another vlog. I appreciate you guys for sticking around. Team Ismash, check out the grey shirt, not sponsored, free promo, blah 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 blah. Talking too much. Team Ismash, enjoy this vlog, thumbs up. Didn't enjoy this vlog, let me know what you guys want me to let me know where you guys want me to go and all that good stuff. Happy Independence, happy Emancipation Day. Team Ismash, I'm out.